I'm out at Tsugawa Nursery. I'm with Brian. Brian, we've heard the term candling before.
Yes.
What is candling?
Well, for termly on pines, it's going to be, that's what we call the new growth right here. This is what we call the candle of the pine.
Okay.
So believe it or not, this determines all of next year's growth. So actually, we can manipulate or control the growth or the height or whatever, the spread, the height, the fullness, and you can see that there's little needles appearing right there. That's actually going to be next year's growth. So if we just let that grow, it's going to get longer, wider, taller, which is fine. But if you're trying to, encourage more fullness, I brought a bonsai plant in to kind of show you. Sometimes they're referred to as like pads. These little areas of fullness.
Okay.
And all it is many branches that were once probably going to be a single leader, but once you pinch that out, you can see you get several right behind it,
right,
of many more buds appearing. So that's pretty basic.
So then candling can be, if you want to do it, you can, but you don't necessarily have to.
You can let them grow natural, that's right. Like the mugo pines that form those nice little round appearance shaped, or just nice little round balls or whatever you want to call them. Sometimes people can let those grow natural and they look more like a shrub, or if you're trying to get a rounded effect, you do kind of have to consider doing it. The worst thing to do though is to prune them at the wrong time, say like July, when they're all done, the candle's already appeared and they're hardening off, and then they go out and trim. Well, what happens is they leave a stub there and it never reappears, so you always have this little stub or branch that doesn't ever really reappear with new, so that's why it's important to do it at the right time.
So candling, if you want more information on candling, Brian and his staff out here at Tsugawa are great resources for that. You can always get more information, go to gardentime.tv and we can collect you over their site, or come out to Tsugawa and meet with their staff. So Brian, thanks for the education on candling.
Great.